Ever wondered what keeps the shelves stocked at your favorite store? What is the secret sauce that turns raw materials into products we use every day? Welcome to Inventory Insights, where we peek behind the curtain of global commerce. Effective inventory management is crucial for businesses across all industries. The National Retail Federation reports that inefficiency in this area can cost companies up to 20% of their annual revenue. But what exactly is inventory and why is it so important? Let's break it down. At its core, inventory refers to the goods and materials a company holds for the purpose of resale or production. It exists in three main forms: raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods. To illustrate these concepts, let's consider a gift box business. Raw materials for this business might include cardboard, decorative paper, and ribbons. These are the components needed to create the empty gift boxes. The items that go inside the boxes, like chocolates, toys, or beauty products, are also part of the inventory. As these materials come together, they become work in progress inventory. This includes partially assembled boxes or those in the process of being filled. Finally, we have finished goods, the completed gift boxes, filled, wrapped, and ready for sale. Now, imagine trying to juggle all of this without the right tools. It can be challenging, potentially leading to overstocked warehouses, empty shelves, disappointing customers, and profits not reaching their full potential. This is the reality for many businesses. They are drowning in data, suffocating under spreadsheets, and losing sleep over stock levels. But there's hope on the horizon. This is where modern inventory management software comes into play, designed to help businesses navigate the complexities of inventory control. And leading this technological revolution is a true game changer, Zoho Inventory. This powerhouse isn't just joining the race, it's setting the pace, transforming how businesses handle their stock and redefining the very essence of inventory management. The world of inventory management is constantly changing. New approaches and technologies are always on the horizon. Imagine a world where your inventory arrives precisely when you need it. No excess, no shortages, just perfect timing. Join us next time as we pull back the curtain on a concept that's revolutionizing businesses around the globe. You won't want to miss it.